Hello to you all, hope you've been well. Welcome to our video today. We are unboxing Clubox 2.1 subwoofer system. As we unbox, I'd like to take this opportunity and welcome each and every viewer, each and every person who's followed and subscribed on our channel. We want to thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, kindly just take a minute and subscribe. Your subscription helps our channel to grow, and we grow because of the support that you give us. Thank you guys. In our box, we get two side speakers, the main bass speaker. It also comes with a remote, a manual, DC cable and aux cables. We will also show you how to connect the subwoofer system and also how to operate it. Stay tuned. This is our manual. Our DC cables, our aux cables, and the remote. Our subwoofer system is Clubox CL501. It is a 2.1 channel. It has Bluetooth connectivity, USB, it has an SD slot, FM mode, and it can also be connected by aux cables to your television. Something great about this subwoofer system, it is an AC-DC system. The electric cable is quite long, making it user-friendly. To connect your speakers, just insert them at the audio out. Switch on the bass speaker or the main speaker. Tune the subwoofer to the mode you want, so ours will be on Bluetooth as we test. The LED lighting on our system makes it very beautiful and attractive, so it's a very beautiful piece to have in your house. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. If you like, kindly subscribe, share. Till next time, adios.